Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. You have a Perplexity Pro subscription, and your mic is connected and permitted. Once done, open the voice assistant panel and select the language and voice you want. This sets tone and accuracy. Next, test a short wake phrase to verify input levels, because quieter mics reduce recognition quality. Make sure noise suppression is on if you're in a busy room, and adjust sensitivity so it captures natural speech without constant false triggers. Now you configure the assistant's behavior. Set response length, verbosity, and safety filters so answers match your needs. Then create custom commands and context prompts for workflows you repeat often. Teach it names, project terms, and preferred formats so responses stay consistent. After that, integrate apps. Connect calendars, email, and third-party APIs by entering API keys or enabling built-in connectors. This is critical because connected context yields smarter, faster replies. To finish, run real tasks. Ask it to draft emails, summarize meetings, or set reminders so you validate both accuracy and latency. Once you see what works, save prompt templates and refine wording to reduce ambiguity. If it misinterprets you, log the examples and tweak sensitivity or context. Iterative refinement improves reliability. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio fails, restart the voice service, confirm mic drivers are up to date, and recheck OS permissions. These fixes solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.